Hello, welcome back to another week in February. I'm here to do my savings challenges and I have £140, 120 in paper and £20 in cash, and I remembered the rollover this week, so I want to have a look as to what I have here. Two, 4, 6, 8, 9. So that's £29 in coins, and I usually use the coins for my roll the dice. I'm going to start with this binder, which is the savings challenges from last year. I'll just put this money. Okay, let's just count that. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, that's 40 and 9, 149. Starting with a 3 months challenge. As much as I want to finish this challenge, I've got 3 more boxes of 60s and I don't think I can afford to put £60 in, so I'm going to put 30 in today. I'm going to half it. That was the plan anyway. If I can't manage all of it at once, I'll just half it and get somewhere at least with it. So I'll mark that halfway. Put 30 in. In my Saggy challenge, I'm going to put £10 in. Let's see. I'm going to do a letter today, and I'll do that in purple. Here's my purple pen, purple pencil. So the letters are £10 and that's what I'm going to put in. Put that there. There. £10. Get in there slowly but surely. And then we have the lock of the drawer. Love this one. And I use the plain cards for this one. So it's the beginning of the weekend now. I hope you have a lovely weekend. I'm always doing that, dropping them. All right, let's pick a card. Let's pick a card. Let's see what card. Let's take one from down the back. Ace of Spades. Right, and Ace of Spades is the ace is £15. So let's just take 15, put it there and mark it off. A spade. We've got quite a few spades, still got quite a few spades left, so that's marked off and we'll get that in there. Glad I got that. And then the roll the dice, orange and green for the theme. 4 and 1. 4 and 1. That's 5. I'll just put a 5 there. I remember, because my head is so bad. Let's do 4. And roll again. That's 8. 2 4s. Right. There's a 4 here. Lovely. So that's £8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I didn't bring the jar. I'll just get that. Roll the dice, double the savings challenges. I'm going to use orange. I like this one. I normally use coins for both roll the dice. That's 5, so that's £10. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. And another one. That's 2. That's £4. That's 2, 4. In the jar they go. Okay, lovely. Right, and then we have the current ones. I'm going to finish February. 10. I'm going to need some change. So I'll get 10 done. If I've got any change. Not in this one. Put that there. Actually, I'll just do the 15, get that out of the way. So now that one's completed. And I'll get some change. Let's see. Any change. Okay, so that's finished, all done. There should be 65 here. $20, $40, $50, $65, and that will go in the back. Is it in the back of, I can't remember. The back of this one. Does it go in the back of this one? Can't remember where it goes. Oh, Let's just have a look. There, it goes in the back of this one. All done. I'm going to leave this one, the Save 2023, for a little bit, and we'll move on to the little calves. Let's get the yellow out. Let's see. We'll put 15. I need to get some change. Right, let's get back to this one. We'll do 15 for this. And we've got the 52-week challenge. I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put 5 in and put 20 into, let's have a look. I've got a 20 here. Yeah, great. It's all working out. So that's 10, 25. Right, so I'm going to put 5 in my 52 weeks challenge. Oh. And £20 in my Save 2023. I'll do pink there. I'll do pink or pink. And the last £20 will go into here. This is looking really good. I think I've done really well so far. Just trying to manage and juggle the money. We've got that there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my monthly completed challenges for my to top up my 2023, because I'd like to get this done twice for the year. I'd like to do another round of it, so I'll try and see if I can do that. Try my best, that's all I can do. And let's see what we've got rollover. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, £12 rollover. That's great. All done. That's the money that I had to stuff this week. £140 plus £9 rollover from last week. So grateful for every little bit, because it all counts. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and have yourself a lovely weekend. Bye for now. Bye.